Hi. You can look at the camera and say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Welcome to the kitchen with Alex and Evelyn. What are we making today? We're making pizza. Chicago deep dish pizza. It's the best pizza, and we're doing it all from scratch. So Evelyn's going to help me make the dough, which is the first thing we have to do. Now, if you really want your toddler to really help you measure out ingredients, you know that they're not going to get exactly a cup. So we weigh it. For this recipe, and we're making 2 pizzas, one of them is a backup, we're going to get 720 grams of flour. All right. All right. Oh, very good. 307. 412. You're doing such a good job. Uh-huh. Oh! Okay, that's enough. That's enough. 1 tablespoon of sugar. Here, get it nice and full and stick it in. Oh, that was it. A tablespoon of salt. I think it's going to be saltier, so we're going to put a little bit less than a tablespoon. 1.5 tablespoons of yeast. Oh, let me get the yeast. Wait. No. All right. Oh, that is such good mixing. There we go. Now we get the wet ingredients.
No.
Oh, wait, no. More? All right. All right, we're going to pour the water in. Oh, don't need that flour. Oh, yeah. And a cup of corn oil. We're using corn oil. Is it mixing it? Scrape the sides. Oh, yeah. No. Oh. Flour all over you. No, don't. No, we didn't cook it yet. No. We're going to move the pizza dough into a buttered bowl. And we're going to let that sit for as long as we can. Maybe 6 hours. Stop eating that. Hi. Alright, so it's been about 4 hours and the dough is about ready, and we are going to make the sauce. So we're going to put tomatoes into, oh yeah, that's the right idea. A bit out of these. No. That one would go in. Not yet. You can put that one in. Here. No. She likes to eat the stem also. That is so much moisture that we actually will have to boil this, simmer it for a while to get rid of a lot of that moisture. Now we do one with big chunks. Big chunks. Slide it, push it in, yeah. Now we're gonna need more sauce than that, so we're gonna add some more. Bunch of the Italian seasoning in there. All right, now we're getting back to working with the dough. We're going to prepare our pans. Chicago deep dish, you can use a pie pan, preferably one with fairly straight sides, old like cast iron pan, or I like the springform pans. So we're going to get these ready, divided into 2. So once you got your dough divided, pop it down in your pan, and then we're going to beat it down and spread it.
No.
Oh yeah, more. And push. Squish it. Bottom of the pan. Oh, don't use your thumb. So we let those sit for another 15 minutes or so, and then we finish spreading them. Now while we're waiting for the dough, we can get the pepperoni cut. Nibble on that. Now we can kind of get it up the sides a little. And you put the cheese on the pizza. Oh, it's going to take a long time at that rate. Daddy did so much. Can you spread the cheese? Spread it. Need more. Okay. Parmesan cheese. Like this. We like to do spinach. Like this. Just kind of put it on there. Pepperoni. You gonna eat that? Yucky. Yes, steam. It's a lot of sauce. And then we put them in the oven, right? All right, so the pizza's out of the oven, yeah? Are we ready to eat? Uh-huh. Are you gonna eat, Evelyn? You gonna eat this one or this one? No, that one. Ooh. Oh. Oh, it's... My goodness.